Hey there, welcome back to the channel where we talk all things weight loss, belly fat burning, and smart nutrition. If you're looking for tasty, guilt-free snacks that actually help shrink stubborn belly fat, then stick around because today we're diving into low-calorie snacks that target belly fat. These snacks aren't just delicious, they're science-backed, metabolism-boosting, and perfect for anyone on a fat loss journey. Why snacking matters for belly fat loss. Before we jump into our snack list, let's talk quickly about why snacking the right way can actually help you burn belly fat. When you go too long without eating, your blood sugar drops, your cravings skyrocket, and you're more likely to binge later on. The right snack can keep your metabolism active, prevent overeating, and support lean muscle, which helps torch belly fat. Number 1. Greek yogurt with berries. This combo is packed with protein, probiotics, and antioxidants. Greek yogurt helps build lean muscle, which burns fat at rest. Berries are low in sugar and rich in polyphenols that help break down stubborn belly fat cells. Number 2. Hard-boiled eggs with paprika. Don't underestimate the power of the egg. Hard-boiled eggs are loaded with protein and healthy fats. Sprinkle a little paprika for flavor and a mild metabolism boost. 2 eggs come in at about 140 calories and keep you full for hours. Number 3. Celery with almond butter. Celery sticks with almond butter. Celery is nearly calorie-free and helps with hydration. Almond butter adds protein, fiber, and healthy fat that balances blood sugar and curbs cravings. Number 4. Cucumber and hummus. This refreshing snack is low in calories and rich in fiber, water, and plant-based protein. Chickpeas and hummus provide resistant starch, which feeds good gut bacteria and may help trim belly fat. Calories: 100 for half a cup cucumber and 2 tablespoons hummus. Welcome. Today we're diving into some of the best fat-burning snacks that not only taste great but also help you shed those extra pounds. Let's get started. Number 5. Apple slices with cinnamon. Apples are full of fiber and water, making them one of the most filling fruits. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar and reduces fat storage around the midsection. Pro tip: eat with the skin for extra fiber. Calories 90 for a medium apple. Fat-burning secret: combats sugar cravings naturally. Number 6. Edamame with sea salt. Looking for a savory, satisfying bite? Try edamame. These green soybeans are loaded with plant protein and fiber. A half-cup serving is about 95 calories and keeps you full without bloating. Bonus contains choline, a nutrient that may help target visceral fat, perfect as a late afternoon snack. Number 7. Avocado rice cakes. Avocado is high in monounsaturated fat, which has been linked to lower belly fat. Pair it with a brown rice cake for fiber and crunch. Number 7. Avocado rice cakes. Avocado is high in monounsaturated fat, which has been linked to lower belly fat. Pair it with a brown rice cake for fiber and crunch. Serving idea: half avocado on 1 rice cake equals 160 calories. Tip: add chili flakes or lemon for flavor and a thermogenic boost. Bonus tips: if you've been struggling with stubborn belly fat despite eating right and staying active, you're not alone. I know how frustrating that feels. That's why I want to share something that's been a game changer for many. Mitalin. It's a natural belly fat targeting supplement that supports metabolism, energy, and real results. If you're ready to finally see change, check the link in the description and give your body the support it's been craving. Chia seed pudding and spicy roasted chickpeas. Number 8. Chia seed pudding. If you have a sweet tooth, try chia seed pudding. Chia seeds expand in liquid and create a pudding-like texture. They're full of omega-3s, protein, and fiber, all helpful for blasting belly fat. Easy recipe: 2 tablespoons chia, half a cup of almond milk, and berries. Calories: 120 per serving. Bonus: improves digestion and stabilizes blood sugar. Number 9. Spicy roasted chickpeas. These are crunchy, flavorful, and rich in protein and fiber. Add cayenne or turmeric to boost thermogenesis and inflammation control. Pro tip: air fry or bake them for a crispy treat. Calories: around 130 per half cup. Welcome! Today we're diving into the world of healthy snacks. These snacks are not only delicious but also help in managing weight and boosting overall health. Let's get started. Number 10. Baby carrots with guacamole. Need something fast and fresh? Go with baby carrots and guacamole. This combo is low-calorie, full of fiber, and rich in vitamins like A and C. Avocados help manage belly fat by improving fat metabolism. Calories range from 100 to 140 per snack. Craving tip: the crunch satisfies emotional hunger. Number 11. Tuna lettuce wraps. If you're craving something more substantial, try tuna lettuce wraps. Use canned tuna mixed with mustard or Greek yogurt, and wrap it in romaine or butter lettuce. Why it works. High in protein. Omega-3s reduce belly inflammation, around 130 to 150 calories. Stay tuned for more fat-burning snacks that are easy to prepare and even easier to enjoy. These snacks will keep you fueled throughout the day while helping you stay on track with your health goals. Number 12. Cottage cheese with pineapple. This high-protein snack helps build lean mass while the bromelain in pineapple supports digestion and reduces bloating. Calories, 150 per serving. Fat-busting power. Keeps you full, supports metabolism. Number 13. Almonds and dark chocolate. This combo satisfies sweet cravings without spiking insulin. Almonds provide fat-burning magnesium, and dark chocolate contains flavonoids that may lower belly fat. Calories, 160 per serving, that's 10 almonds plus 1 square. Tip: choose 70% or higher cocoa. Number 14. Frozen grapes or blueberries. For a summer treat, try frozen grapes or blueberries. Low-calorie, high antioxidant, and super refreshing, this snack feels like dessert with under 100 calories. Bonus: supports fat oxidation and reduces water retention. Conclusion and call to action. Remember, it's not about starving yourself, it's about smart fueling. These snacks don't just keep you full, they train your body to burn fat more efficiently, especially around the belly. Small choices, made consistently, lead to big results. Many people have seen amazing results just by adding middle into their diet. They've lost inches, boost metabolism, burn fat faster. Don't forget to check out the product link given in the description. Which of these snacks are you trying first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a fat-burning tip again.